Where are you headed today?
Downtown for a business meeting. Friend's place in the suburbs. Just driving around, nowhere specific.
Are you new in town?
Just visiting for the weekend. No, lived here for a while. Tourist, first time in town.
Is the seating position comfortable for you?
Adjust as needed, thanks. Perfect, no changes necessary. Move the seat back a bit.
Would you like a receipt for the ride?
Yes, please provide a receipt. No need for a receipt. Sure, a printed receipt is fine.
Any specific drop-off point?
Main entrance works. Just drop me at the corner. Any safe spot is fine.
How's your day been so far?
Busy but good. Productive day at work. Just getting started, not sure.
Do you know the way?
Not really, use GPS. I'm familiar, take main roads. I'll guide you if needed.
Any specific music preference?
No music, it's a quiet ride. Classic rock if you have. Jazz or blues, surprise me.
Do you mind a little detour?
No rush, go ahead. Sure, I have time. Stick to the route, please.
Need to stop for cash?
Card's good, thanks. No cash, card only. Cash or card, both are fine.
Familiar with the city landmarks?
Not really, guide me. Yes, take the scenic route. Show me something interesting.
Want me to take it slow?
Normal speed is fine. A bit slower, if possible. Speed is good, thank you.
Need help with luggage?
No, just the backpack. Yes, just one suitcase. Help with this bag, please.
Do you prefer small talk?
Sure, why not? Not really, quiet ride. Small talk is good.
Do you have a preferred route for this trip?
Fastest route, please. Your recommendation is fine. Main roads, avoid shortcuts.
Any specific landmarks you'd like to see?
Surprise me with local attractions. Point out interesting landmarks. Stick to the main roads.
Do you mind sharing the ride with others?
I prefer a private ride. Shared ride is fine. No problem with sharing.
Would you like to make any stops?
Straight to the destination, please. No stops, a direct trip. Stop only if necessary.
Have you been to local restaurant before?
First time, is it good? No, recommend something similar. Visited recently, enjoyed it.
Do you have a specific drop-off time?
On time, no worries. No specific time, whenever. Just be prompt, thank you.
How's the lighting inside the car?
Dim the lights a bit. Brighter, if possible. It's perfect, no changes needed.
Any specific conversation topics you prefer?
Open to any conversation topics. Light and casual conversation, please. No preference, surprise me.
Are you aware of any road closures?
Check for road closures, please. Keep an eye on road updates. Not sure, proceed as usual.
How's the volume level of the radio?
Increase the volume slightly. Lower the volume a bit. It's perfect, no changes needed.
Know any good local restaurants?
Not really, surprise me. Yes, but looking for new. Just pick a good spot.
Need a phone charger?
Already have one, thanks. Yes, if you have an extra. No, my battery is good.
Is the air conditioning okay?
A bit cooler, if possible. Any comfortable temperature is fine. Keep it moderate, not too extreme.
Can I take a quick detour?
No rush, feel free to detour. Sure, I have some time. Stick to the route, please.
What time do you need to be there?
No rush, I have time. As soon as possible, please. I have a deadline, be quick.
Any specific requests for the radio station?
Any station is fine. News station, if possible. Pop music is good.
Would you like me to take a different route?
Stick to the usual route. If it's faster, go ahead. I trust your judgment.
Is the temperature inside the car comfortable?
A bit warmer, if possible. It's perfect, no changes needed. Keep it moderate, not too extreme.
Are you in a hurry or relaxed ride?
No rush, a relaxed ride. Take your time, no pressure. Relaxed, no particular rush.